Hello friends, on behalf of Schneider Electric, I welcome you all to this session on power solutions. My name is Abraham, and over the next 15 minutes, I'll be taking you through the all-important aspect of energy efficiency and management and how Schneider Electric, through its exclusive department of power solutions under the eco buildings, help your plant and processes to optimize the specific energy consumption of your department. Let us see how energy efficiency is important to us. Energy efficiency is important to us mainly because of various reasons. The first being the energy crisis, the gap between demand and supply. We know we have a peak power shortage and there is a gap between demand and supply. We also face the steep increase in cost of energy in terms of electricity as well as fuel oils. As you know, India is one of the very few countries who pay more than $1 per liter of petrol. We also have legislative requirements like PAT scheme, ECBC, the building codes, LEED, ISO 50001, Griha, etc., wherein we have to report our energy consumption pattern to the concerned authorities. Another factor is the green planet, where we talk about the synergy between energy and the environment. We all know that energy consumption and environment are related. The more we consume energy, the more we damage the environment by spending more on the emissions of carbon dioxide. Also, another factor is the very availability of energy. The rate at which we consume energy, it is quite possible that we end up consuming all the energy sources available in terms of coal, fuel oil, etc. in limited time, and we will not spare anything for the next generation to come. So what we need to do? Our answer is helping the people make the most of their energy. And let us see how we do it. We do it by a 4-step easy deployment process called measurement, where when we talk about metering and infrastructure, fix the basics, where we talk about energy audit, energy efficient devices, power quality, power reliability, etc. And third, automation, where we talk about power management, building management, motor control, demand control, etc. And finally, we talk about monitor, where we talk about power monitoring expert, power SCADA expert, etc. Now let us see in detail about the power solution business. Power solution business is basically a subset of eco building business, in which we talk about mainly 3 components. Power monitoring, in which we talk about metering and software, power quality, where we have capacitors, systems and advanced systems, and finally consultancy, where we have power quality audits and energy audits. So we will go one by one in deep of each and every step of these segments. We start with power monitoring. Metering is the first step towards any energy efficiency activity. We need to know how much we actually consume to find out how much we actually use and how much we actually waste. Schneider Electric is the only company in India today having such a range of instruments available, where we talk about a basic meter costing about few hundreds of rupees to high-end power quality meters, where we talk about a few hundred thousands of rupees. We have a meter called the CM4000, where the sampling rate is as low as 1 microsecond, which is one of its kind in the world. We also have equipments called Vigilom, the most sophisticated installation monitoring system for critical applications like Atomic Power Corporation, etc. Some of the customers include Atomic Power Corporations, power plants, etc. We now move to the energy management systems. How we are different from the competition in energy management systems? There is a difference between energy monitoring and energy management. What we are doing in energy monitoring is showing the meters reading in a software. Whereas in case of energy management, we do much beyond that by providing a proper energy management system to the customers. Why? Because we know what is the importance of a coal mill in a cement plant. We know what is the importance of a vacuum pump in a paper mill. We know the need of oxygen lancing in an arc furnace. We know the electrolysis importance in a chlor-alkali plant and the auxiliary power consumption in a thermal power plant. So when we design an energy management system, we make it customized for the processes of the typical customer, so that they get the real benefit of the energy management system and not just energy monitoring. So the real advantage of the energy management system is to help you do the real-time monitoring of the large electrical distribution network, calculation of specific energy consumption, practice predictive maintenance, root cause analysis, energy balancing, power quality analysis, energy resource planning, and measurement and verification. This also makes the foundation of the ISO 50001 and also the basic requirement of PAT scheme by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, in which you have to report your energy consumption standards and specific energy consumption to the required authorities. We also have power solutions ready-made for the different industry, power solutions for infrastructure, power solutions for data center, power solutions for buildings, and also power solutions for healthcare industry. Now we come to the second level of power solutions, which is power quality. Power quality, basically we talk about three major things: components, systems, and advanced systems. We have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, world-class facility available in Bangalore, which manufactures capacitors, and we export those products to almost all across the world, like Asia, Europe, China, Africa, and also the Middle East. Mainly we divide our power quality offers into three categories of components, systems, and advanced systems. In components we talk about capacitors, reactors, and also automatic power factor control relays. In systems we talk about LV APFC panels, MV capacitors, MV APFC panels. We also have the much advanced thyristor control panels also for power factor correction. Now we come to the third level of active harmonic filters, which comes under the advanced systems. These systems are used for harmonic filtering, load balancing, neutral current compensation, and also for specific power system solutions. Like for example, we have a recent case where we have done the efficiency improvement of a DG set by improving harmonics. So there the savings was through diesel by improving harmonic conditions in the plant, which is a very, very interesting case study. These are available for 3-phase 3-wire and 3-phase 4-wire offers. 3-phase 3-wire for industrial applications and 3-phase 4-wire for building applications. We also have hybrid filters for localized solutions. Now we come to another interesting equipment called Cool Light, which is a lighting energy saver. This gives direct savings in energy applicable with all forms of lighting other than CFLs, LED, etc. Savings up to 25% can be achieved by just connecting this equipment to the lighting circuit. Now we come to the third session of the power solutions called consultancy, where we talk about comprehensive energy audits and also the power quality audits. Let us go through the energy audits. A detailed energy audit is covering all forms of energy, not just electricity, but all forms of energy like electrical energy, mechanical energy, thermal energy, and also process optimization. We also touch upon the process parameters to improve energy efficiency and specific energy consumption. We have an experience of our 750 assignments covering almost all segments of industry, data centers, building, power plant, etc. in India and also across the world. The average savings identified out of the energy audit is varying from about 8 to 10% of the total energy consumption of the plant. The total identified savings till today equivalent to about 2.3 million metric ton of oil equivalent, which is a very, very high figure. Also, this reduction in energy consumption identified by our energy audits is leading to about 5,100 million metric ton equivalent of carbon dioxide, which is again very, very huge. Schneider Electric is an accredited ESCO agency by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, and we are proud to say that we have the maximum number of accredited energy auditors under any roof in single firm in India today. We have a number of state-of-the-art instrumentations to measure and record all the energy and process parameters from all kind of industries. Support systems are also available from global for expertise and processes, machinery, equipments, and also for benchmarking. Finally, we come to the second part of consultancy, which is power quality audits. Why we focus on power quality? The average industrial consumer is aware about 8 power quality events per year. Equipments mostly affected by power quality are computers, controls, motors, etc., etc. The aggregate cost of about US $300 million is spent on continuous process industries because of the power quality. We offer our detailed power quality audits to ensure uninterrupted operation of the processes The study mainly focused on the harmonics, but it also includes sags, swells, transients, neutral current status, etc. etc. We provide independent reports and recommendations to solve the problems being faced by the customer. That is the end of the session today. The floor is now open for questions. Please type in your queries in the chat window and I shall respond to them one after the other. Make the most of your energy.